Taiwanese chip giant TSMC is expanding its footprint in Europe. The chipmaker says it will open a new design center in Munich by late 2025, supporting high-performance chip development for AI, automotive, and industrial uses. TSMC is also part of a tech coalition investing in a new $11 billion plant in Dresden, alongside Infineon, NXP, and Bosch. Executives say the new Munich hub could play a key role in Europe's semiconductor ambitions by offering advanced design and AI-ready capabilities. The announcements come as Europe scrambles to catch up in a global AI race. For more on what these new investments in Germany might mean for TSMC, Europe, and the global chip industry, Reece spoke to Marco Mezger, a memory chip expert and chief operating officer at Numanda.
Why is TSMC choosing to open this design center and new plant in Germany now? And what strategic advantage might this give them in the European markets?
Munich has two of the best universities in Germany, the LMU and TUM. And these universities, they have like a flow of good engineers and designers. So that's also the reason why Apple has invested $1 billion in a design center in Europe, while Bosch, Infineon, NXP, they all have around Munich like design centers. And keep in mind, in Munich, we have BMW, automotive. Audi is not far away. So there's a lot of connections also with the type of customers what TSMC is looking forward to fill in the factory in Dresden.
What role could the design center in Munich play in helping Europe catch up in this global AI race?
There's a term which says AI everywhere. And this AI everywhere means literally everywhere, in every type of application, in every type of household application you have everywhere. Now, this artificial intelligence does not always need like this crazy power what an NVIDIA chip does. And I definitely think that this is kind of an entry point in Germany to be able to have a design center there on top of the chip companies we have already. Plus, we also have a manufacturing site in Dresden where we can do this. And we also have some packaging sites, like in Amcor in Portugal, who is also able to package besides TSMC. So it's a start, but I think it's not something where Europe immediately competes and can have like a similar kind of CPUs or GPUs, AI processor like in the USA or like in Taiwan is produced. But for our market segment, definitely a very good boost to make AI-related ecosystem.
Can we expect any technological marvels to be coming out of Germany anytime soon in regards to chips?
I think it's specifically in the industries, right? It's like in automotive, right? ADAS, autonomous driving. Do you also need very powerful chips in order to manage this? You need a system architecture, which is supporting all of this. And I think TSMC was a big win for Europe and especially for Germany. And coming to this cluster in Dresden, where you have already several companies, I mean, Bosch, X-Fab, there's a lot of companies already there who nurture the system. That's very, very good for Germany in order to play a role in the next wave of AI. I think the first wave of AI, this is basically going on. It's very difficult to jump in there. But the second wave, where you have AI everywhere, I think this is a very good entry point for Europe.
That was Marco Mezger, a memory chip expert and COO at Numanda.